have another package for video review. Let's see, what is it? Oh, so this is a camping light with a solar panel. Pretty interesting product. Let's see if it's charged and we can turn it on. Doesn't look like. Oh, this light turns on. Maybe it needs a little sun, so it has this panel. We're gonna check it later. Let me turn it off. So even though this light is intended for camping, I'm using it here in my studio to do the unboxing for the video review. So this is the one, Heiyu Lem. This is the pocket page camping light. So it's not only for camping, as you can see. It works perfectly. It has the hole to screw it on onto a mount. Suction compound, so that's another use that probably the company didn't think of, but in this case works perfectly for unboxing packages here in the office when there's no natural light outside. So as you saw inside, this portable camping light has this universal mount. It's super easy to put it anywhere. It can go in this little mount that it's not intended for the bike either, but it fits. So this is probably, again, not the use that the designers probably thought about, but for example, if I just turn the light like that without opening, that yellow line will help make me visible at night. I'm going out for a little bike ride here just to show how it works. And then obviously if you open, you're camping. I'm gonna go to the park and show it. Here it's too bright for that, but let's go there. So this is the park next to my house, and there's basically no light here except for the tennis courts back there. So for a little demonstration, let me show you here. Let's go to this darkest part of it. Let's say we were camping here and we brought our bike. You can still see that line of light, but if we open it, we'll have pretty good light for not all the park, but a lot of it. So that's pretty good. And obviously you don't have to have it mounted on the bike like that, but it works because of the universal mount that it has here. And then you can also use this handle to hang it from the bike. It will be pretty good also for that, or from a tree. So this is an incredibly useful light. And if you don't want that much of a bright light, you have this one here, and I can take it by hand here. So it can be also handheld like this. It's bright enough. Let's see without. So it's not super bright, but it helps. And a really bright one here, like this stretch of the road is you're gonna see how dark it is. Nothing, and then completely lit up. Excellent product. We're gonna use it a lot for different things, many different things. Here in the darkest side of my house, this is the alley. Let's try the regular light first. Pretty good. And this is my little workshop, which doesn't have a proper light. But let's see here. When I use this light, so Again, very useful. And here with this handle, again, I can just put it anywhere basically here. Let me see, right there. I can work at night if I want. So again, I really like the product. It's very versatile. You can charge it with a solar panel. We're gonna do that in the morning, obviously, but you can also charge USB. So I have a USB port there. Let me bring a wire and I'm gonna charge it here overnight. So this blue dot indicates the level of charging, so it's almost empty now. I'm gonna connect the USB port here. So it's charging there, as you can see. It's blinking, so I'm gonna leave it there. I don't know if overnight, but I'll come back and check it. So here we are. It's already fully charged, as you can see there. And that's good because look, it's very cloudy today, so there's not a sun to power this with a solar panel. One thing that I didn't show either is that this pack has this magnet here, so if you're camping, again, you can go out and like just put it there on a fence or anywhere else. So there goes sun, and you could be camping here. Incredible design with this product. I like it a lot.